everyone, welcome to Intellify. I am Akanksha Vyas. Here we would be discussing NCERT solution for class 10th mathematics, exercise 3.5, topic linear equation in two variables. Now we have to discuss question number 2. Question number 2 has two parts. First part is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? So in previous exercises you have done the formula to find out if lines are intersecting, if they are parallel, or if they are coincident. When lines are coincident, they have infinite many solutions. When they are intersecting, they have unique solution, and when they are parallel, they have no solution. So using that formula only, we will be deriving what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So these are the two equations that is given in the question to us, right? Using the same proportion formula, where a1 is the coefficient of x in equation 1, a2 is coefficient of x in equation 2, b1 is coefficient of y in equation 1, b2 is coefficient of y in equation 2, c1 is coefficient constant value of equation 1, and c2 is constant value of equation 2. Putting in the values, you will derive at 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b is equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. So now you need to compare any of the two proportions that you want. So I have compared these two and these two. Through that, now we would cross multiply. Then 2 would be multiplied by this denominator and 3 would be multiplied by this denominator. So your equation would be this. Solving it further, from this proportion your value of a would come out to be 5b. Leave it here. Move to the second proportion, comparison of second and the third proportion. Through that, you would be able to find out by simplifying it 2a's value, which would be equal to 4b plus 6. Now here, put a's value as 5b. Move that b's value here and leave the constant value on the one side. You will find that a's value is coming out to be 5, and putting a's value here 5, you would get b's value, which is equals to 1. So now we are done by finding out a and b's value for part 1, which is 5 and 1. Now the second part of the same question, which is, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? No solution means parallel lines. So for parallel lines, we have proportions formula as a1 is equals to a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, which both are not equal to c1 upon c2. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, and they are not equal to c1 upon c2. Similarly, following the same pattern that we have done in the above part, write a1's value, which is x coefficient in first equation, a2 x coefficient in second equation, b1 y is coefficient in first equation, b2 y is coefficient in second equation, c1 constant value in your first equation, c2 constant value in your second equation. So doing the same, we can see that we know that a1 upon a2 should be equals to b1 upon b2, which should not be equals to c1 upon c2. So now these two values are equal and this is not. So we can compare them, right? They have k in them, so we can compare it. By comparing it, you would get k's value as 2. Okay, which would be put in all the k's that is above in the equation. So you only need to find out the k's value, which is done. So k's value is 2 when the solution when these equations have no solution. Thank you.